Hello students, welcome back to the topic sexual reproduction in flowering plants. Students, today in this video, that is lecture 4, we are going to discuss about a female reproductive structure called Gynosium. So here is a beautiful image of the hibiscus flower which is showing Gynosium. Gynosium is a female reproductive whorl of the flower. The individual units of the gynosiums which are here are called as carpels. So let us try to see the structure of one carpel. So if we take one carpel, that carpel shows presence of three structures like stigma. It is a terminal part of the carpel which is rough and sticky, and it is mainly meant to receive the pollen grain and also secretes nutritious fluid which makes pollen germination possible. Style, it is a passage, a narrow tubular elongated structure it is which connects the style with the ovary. The last portion is called ovary, which is bulbous. It is a swollen fertile base of the carpel which encloses one to many ovules in it. See here students, these yellow colored structures are nothing but ovules. Ovule is nothing but a megasporangium. So this is a vertical section of the flower. The female reproductive structure, that is gynosium, can also be called as the pistil. Pistil will be made up of three parts as we know: style, stigma and ovary. Ovary contains ovule and ovule contains an important structure called embryo sac which is called as a female gametophyte and is also called megasporangium. It is a female reproductive part of the flower. Pistil has one or more carpel. Each carpel will have three parts like stigma, style and ovary. If we take the section of the ovary, we can see the arrangement of the ovules. Ovules are nothing but megasporangia. They will be present inside the ovary. Plant may be made up of one ovule or plant may be made up of many ovules. Examples for plants made up of one ovule are wheat, paddy and mango. Whereas examples for the plants made up of several ovules are like papaya, brinjal and watermelon. Now, these ovules which will be there, they are arranged inside the ovary on a nutritive structure called placenta. The method of arrangement of the ovules in the placenta is called as placentation. So, we can define placentation as mode of arrangement of the placenta in the ovary. Now this is a one type of ovule students where we can see the different parts. This is called an integumented megasporangium. A seed bearing plants will be having these ovules. The seed bearing plants are gymnosperm and angiosperm. So this is an example for orthotropous ovule. Why we call it as orthotropous? Because the structures like is called orthotropous ovule because the structures like micropyle, embryo sac and the stalk of the ovule called funicle lie in a straight line. So it is called orthotropous ovule. So this is a stalk of the ovule and this is the body. Both are arranged in a straight line. Now let us try to see this ovule. So what is this type of ovule called as? See, this is called as Anatropus ovule, which is a very common type of ovule present in angiosperm. So this is called stalk of the ovule, that is funicle, and this is called a body, and as you can see the body is inverted. So this is the most common type of ovule present in the angiosperm. This structure which is there here is called micropyle and that is embryo sac and the chalaza lie in a straight line, but ovule totally becomes inverted, making the ovule anatropous. The ovules are produced as a result of megasporogenesis. Megasporogenesis is nothing but development of female gametophyte. So in this video, we discussed about a female reproductive structure called Gynosium, whereas in the next video, we are going to discuss about vertical section of the mature ovule. Hope the contents of the video are clear, students. Thank you.